Uncle Tim's. It's all good.
Alright, well here we are with the 5 little pigs over here in the Sundrop Pond. And you can see they've already done a pretty good number on these oats. This was just solid in here, and you can see they've got them all knocked over, eating the tops off of them, eating the oats off of them. They're really working it over in here already. Looks like they're happy in here. And they're using the feeder over here. Well, there's the pond. They've been knocking down the oats over on this side too. I mean, there's still quite a few left, but they got their little trails through there. And then the feeder here. Looks like it's working well for them. Not a whole lot of waste on the ground. There's a little bit, but not a lot. They're doing really good. Looks like they're enjoying it in here. They got all their little paths through the weeds and oats and grass and stuff. They're enjoying life.